channel, please view my videos, like, share, subscribe, and remember also to press onto that notification bell for all the incoming videos so that you can be notified when a new video has been uploaded. And for the returning viewers, thank you so much for returning back. Thank you so much for choosing my channel, and please don't skip the ads as usual. So guys, today I'm back with this recipe, or with this content of a whole chicken grilling. I'm going to grill a whole chicken. I've done grilling of chicken, but I've not done a whole one. So guys, keep tuned as we go. So this is the chicken that I'm going to grill. It is a whole chicken, fresh. So we'll just start by marinating it. First, I'll remove it first and wash it before anything else is done. I've washed this chicken now. I'm just going to cut the unnecessary parts, like these parts. Then I will also locate the backbone. Into two, so that all the marination can get well into this chicken. This part of the backbone, but I feel like removing it, but this time around let me just leave it. And what I have with me, I have garlic, I have thyme, parsley, chicken masala, black pepper. So I'll start by adding some salt to the chicken before I grill it, before I finish the marination. So you add salt all over. Garlic powder, chicken masala. Make sure you rub it well so that all these spices can get well into the chicken, guys. Vegetable oil. So guys, I'm putting oil before I put black pepper, and with the reason is that I want black pepper to get stuck well into the chicken. Then parsley, black pepper before I add my sauce. After this, now this is the sauce that I've just blended of different bell peppers. I'll now apply the sauce. Make sure you apply all these spices everywhere. Brush can get inside the chicken, so make sure everything goes in well there. You just make an opening somewhere. So guys, this is all about this chicken now, the marination of this chicken. So I'm going to leave it here this way until at least for 30 minutes. So I'm just going to cover it. Finish marinating my chicken, so I'm going to leave it here for another 30 minutes before I grill it. Keep tuned, guys. So guys, after marination for 30 minutes, this is how my chicken looks, and I'm now going to unwrap it. Guys, this is how it is now. So I'm just going to place it in the oven and now grill it. I'm now going to put it inside the grill. And I'm going to let it cook for 1 hour, 250 degrees Celsius. So guys, keep tuned. Let's meet after 1 hour. So guys, let me just check on my chicken. Whoa, should be ready. This is my grilled chicken. It is very soft. It has cooked well. So let me just try. As you can see, so soft. Just that it is hot. I cannot have it by using my hands, but it is. So nice, guys. Please, thank you for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if at all you have not subscribed. Soft it is. Just coming out by itself. Whoa. Thank you.